welcome to Enjay's Play Space. This is part 2 of the science magic experiment. As you remember, in part 1, this was oil only. This time it's oil and water. As you can see, I have some water here. A bigger beaker of water. And we have a small beaker, as you remember. So I'm going to pour this to 20. Oh no, that's over 20. Over 20. Alright, on 20. Now I got my vegetable oil. Science magic vegetable. I'm going to pour it to 20 as well. So 20 plus 1 is 40. Good, it's on 40. But you can't see 40. Now, let me close back up. This is a long Up. Here we go. Right now, I'm just putting a little more. Up and away. Bye. Almost out, guys. Don't worry. I think I'm gonna just put a little more and release. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Look at that. It's gone. You can see it you can see it in the water, but you can't in the oil. And that ends Science Magic Part 2. Be sure to click the like button to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!